Hello there everybody, this is a video which explains how to get the TASA files from Dropbox. Dropbox is just a big repository in the sky and on the internet from which you can get files. You can read the files on there, or you can download them. In our case, we're going to be downloading them. This is what you see on the screen is an extract from the user guide, which explains how to get them, but since this user guide is one of the documents you'll be downloading, you won't see that. So there's two methods to obtain these documents. You'll get a link via an email, which is the pointer to the Dropbox, and you can either paste that into your browser address bar, or more likely you'll get it in an application, for example Gmail, which recognizes it and you can click directly on it, or Word. If it's pasted into Word, Word will recognize it. If it's underlined in blue, then it's recognized. On my screen to my left, I've actually got Word open, and I'm going to control click on it, and if I do that, it should bring up my browser and go to the Dropbox link, and it has done so. You can see some files there. Now the files that you're going to need are the example stories, Goldilocks and a BBC One. You don't need all of these documents. You'll need that one which is the application, the currently it's V7, which you'll see when you get there. And the other document you need is the read and listen user guide. The other stuff on there you don't need, so it's the folder, the read and listen user guide, and the TASA. So what you do is you could click download now and download the whole lot, but since you don't need them, it's probably a better idea to click each one. So we go on that one first, download, direct download. It asks you where you want to put them. I'm going to put them in my downloads folder. Seems a sensible place to put them. So that's already pre-selected. I cheated a bit. So let's save. So there you can see it's appeared in my downloads folder. Okay, now we go back to where we were before. The next one we need is the read and listen guide, so we click on that. You can actually read them on this application. You can go up and down, so you can read it there if you want, but it's probably better to download it. So download, direct download, choose, same place, save. So there it is, it's appeared. So we've got two, we're just waiting for the third one we need now. Go back to where we were before. That's it. So now we want the folder with all the example stories. You can see all the example stories. Don't select any of them, just go straight to download, direct download. And has it started? Yes, it's starting to download. No, it isn't. It hasn't selected the file. So there's back to the folder again. Save. You can see it's downloading. There's quite a lot of files in there. Can't remember how big it all is, but it will come down as a zip file, which you have to unzip, which I'll show you in a minute when it's finished. Will it ever finish? It's quite big because it's got lots of audio files. It's finished by the look of it. Right. So here we are. We can see in this folder we've got the 3 items. Here's now these. This is a zip file. So when we select it, this is Windows 10 I'm on. I go on extract all, and it then asks us where we want to put them, and you can actually browse and decide where you want to put them. This is all right. That's not a good place. We'll choose that anyway. Stick them all in there. Select folder. Extract. All extracted, and that's the folder I selected, and there's all the files. These weren't there. They were in the version 07 folder in the first place, but all the files we've just downloaded is that lot there. Goldilocks in, I think it's 4 different languages, and a cool French. So that's it. You're then ready to go. I'll produce another video explaining how you install that document into your Word application. See you later.